So the first thing we're going to do is just grab one of these little plastic they have in Dollar Tree for candy. Also, they have this chocolate boxes. We're gonna use the top of it. And also I'm gonna use the cellular from Dollar Tree, but we're gonna use two of them, but we're only going to use the middle part of this one. So we're gonna go ahead and take that out. Then after that, we're just gonna place it at the bottom part like that. So let's continue to set it up all together. So the first thing, I'm going to take these candy jars and place it upside down. I'm going to put hot glue all the way around them. Make sure to put it off to attach it into place at this part. Then go ahead and place the candy box cover on top like that and attach it into place. Then put it upside down, and then you're going to take your solar light and you're going to put some hot glue all the way around them. Make sure to put enough hot glue in here because you want to attach it good before you do anything else. Then after that, we're just gonna go ahead and spray paint it in black, and this is how it turns out, all in black. So then after that, we're gonna take this round floral foam. We're gonna attach two of them together because we wanted to make it bigger, like taller. So just go ahead, put enough hot glue, and then attach them together like that. And then after you attach both of them together, you're gonna take your hot glue and put some hot glue at the bottom part of the floral foam like that, and then place it in the middle like that. Just go ahead and attach it into place. Then after that, I'm gonna take my flower and place it in the middle like that through it. Here you go with just your toothpick and put it in the flowers and just continue attaching it. Here you could do any color. So I'm just gonna do alternate on color. And then after that, I'm gonna take this little teddy bear. I'm gonna take the tag out because I don't like it. I'm gonna take one of these stick, place it in the middle like that, and then I'm gonna cut it out because I think it's too big. So I'm just gonna go cut it out like that a little bit. Then after that, I'm gonna grab my monkey and I'm gonna place it in there, but make sure to put a little bit of the hot glue like that just to attach it into place, and then just attach it like that in the stick. Then after that, I'm gonna put a few little things to make it cute. Then I got this sign that says congrats, but I'm gonna take this part out. You can leave it like that, and but I want to put something at the bottom and something at the top. Then after that, so I'm gonna take the little hat. After I took it out, I'm gonna put some hot glue and I'm gonna place it on top of the teddy bear like that, or a llama. I don't know what it is. Whatever you guys decide to put it there. So I'm gonna put some hot glue on the congrats sign and I'm gonna place it in the middle like that in the center. So I'm gonna take some candy and place it inside all the way around it to give them something sweet as well. And then for the other one, I'm gonna just go ahead and the other light part that we took out, I'm gonna place it at the bottom part. I'm gonna take one of those little glass, spray painted in black, then go ahead and take your hot glue and place it all the way at the bottom part of the light like that. And then we're going to attach it to the ball. And then after that, we're gonna put flower all the way around it. And this is how cute you guys, it turns out. This is like a bouquet that you guys can give whoever's graduating, and which I think is super great. And also you guys can place money in here with a chocolate, or you can do either or. I'm giving you this idea. You decide which one you would like to do, which I think came out so pretty and cute. And now this one is more of like for centerpiece for party decorations that you guys are doing for graduation decorations, which I think it also came out so pretty and it's so cute. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Please comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite, number one, or this one, number two. Thanks again for watching. Please do not forget to like and share so other people can see my DIYs and that can support also my page and what I do. So thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.